Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to review this Klairs midnight blue calming cream. There has been an irritation on my face and this is the perfect time to test this product out and to see whether this product does soothe down your skin or calm down your skin or not. Is this worth the hype it has gotten or not? So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as it means a lot to me. So as you can see, this is the irritation that I had. So coming to my experience with this product, I would say yes, it definitely works in soothing and calming down your irritation. And I have been using it as a night cream for at least a month now, and for me it has done a decent job. Okay, for the anti-aging benefits, I won't say it has shown any results till now, but it will take time, yes. But in soothing down my skin, it does soothes my skin within 3 to 4 days. It does a job. But for me, I also felt that it is a bit overpriced. Okay, there are certain other creams available in the market that does the same job of soothing and calming down your skin, but at a cheaper price. But if you want to use this product in particular, and if you want to use it as a night cream because of its ingredients, you can go for it. It is a decent product for me. So yeah.